Hi guys, stunt-tube here, I'm Harry and today we're doing a bike check. Starting from the top, we have ODI long neck grips, they aren't XLs. We the People Run bars, pretty nice. Kayo brake lever, pretty nice, very responsive. Odyssey slick cable, red. Savage top load stem, really nice. Integrated headset with slick top cap. Shut up, policeman. Mongoose frame, forks, rims and spokes. Quando hubs, really nice. Savage tyres, red wall. Stolen bikes, mob cranks with a integrated tightening bit. Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Pivotal seat, no brand. Federal seat post, blank seat clamp. Kayo brake calipers, really nice. And mongoose sprocket, 25 tooth I think it is. And finally, Shadow Conspiracy chain. Yeah, I think that's it. Should be. Let's give it a hub check. Wait for the car today. Hello. Right.
Who's that? Do you even know them? Yeah. Alright, there's a little kid in the window watching us on your left.
Hello.
He's actually recording.
Let's go. Freaking off.